this video, I will be ranking viral side hustles for students. From the viral YouTube videos I've collected, I'm gonna give my own personal experience and perspective on the side hustle and rate it from S tier all the way down to F tier. I'm 19 years old and I've basically tested every single side hustle you could possibly do. So let's see what's best fit for you. Number 1. This one comes from a YouTuber named Iman Gadzi. Iman Gadzi. This video has 6.8 million views, and what he mentions is called freelance arbitrage. This side hustle basically means you are the middleman for a service-based order. So let's just say you post an offer up on Fiverr and you say, I will build any custom website for $1,000. John goes on Fiverr, he needs a custom website, so he buys your order. He's gonna tell you all the information and details you need to build this custom website. Do you know how to build a custom website? No, you don't know anything about it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get somebody else to do it. So now you're gonna go on, say, Upwork or Fiverr, and you're gonna look for somebody that's doing it for even cheaper. So let's say Professor McCringleberry has an order out there saying, I will build any custom website for $500. You're gonna take all that information from John that he gave you and give it to Professor McCringleberry. Professor McCringleberry is gonna build it, and all you're doing is managing communications in between one another. I did this in 2021 when I was 15 years old and I was freelance arbitraging Discord servers. It took me roughly 10 hours probably during the month, and it gave me an extra $500 during the month as well. I did this for 3 months. So where would I rank this? I would rank this a B level rating. Why is it not higher? Well, you're limited on what you can offer because sometimes other people can just find that listing as well. So it's a little hard to market, but also it's a B because of how easy it is to do and to get started. Another side hustle is selling a digital product online. This beautiful YouTuber says you can make a whole lot of money selling digital products to other people on the internet. What this entails is making a digital product, like say for example, this ebook right here on how to make vegan foods. You make this and then you make a website based on this product and then market it out to customers that will potentially buy. I personally love this side hustle because it is, number 1, super easy to start. Number 2, super scalable where you can make up to say only $1 a month or millions every single month. And 3, it's not a very creative idea and doesn't take a whole lot of skill-based knowledge. For example, I started selling a digital product of me making this random vegan cookbook and I sold it to people online. I actually have a video of it, how I started from $0 from complete scratch and made thousands from it. So you may want to watch that video after this one. I'm going to rate this product on the A tier. The reason it's not an S tier is because it does take a little bit of time to establish the brand. You have to think of the product, make the website, and then do the marketing to then get some traffic in. So it takes quite a lot of work to set up. This one is from Mark Tilbury with 700,000 views on his video on how to make money as a student. He states that dropshipping is a great way for a student to make money. Dropshipping is where you sell a product from a different supplier, and when your customer buys, you ship it to that customer. You never have to touch the actual product. I have tried this many of times, and I've succeeded and I have failed. This was my second dropshipping store at 14 years old, and this was my ad. My dog looks horrified, and these were the great results too. All right, let's move on. This was horrible. But I've never succeeded in a big way. The best I've ever done with dropshipping in my life was early in 2023 when I was eBay dropshipping. So basically dropshipping, but on eBay. I made about $4,000 profit in 4 months. I would rate this side hustle a C-. From my perspective, it is truly one of the hardest side hustles just to start and to make money with. You have to spend a lot of time learning, a lot of money to scale, and it's just really hard in general. There's so many different ways you can make money instead of dropshipping. But the pro is if you get it right, you find the right product, you do your research, the gains could be in like the millions. And you could potentially sell that dropshipping company for a lot of money, and you have just a bunch of different ways to monetize it. This next side hustle comes from this very successful YouTuber with 3.1 million views named Ali Abdal, and he says you can make so much money being a content creator. What this means is you can make videos while you're on the camera or off the camera and post on social medias like Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and many more. I've done this obviously, and I would 100% agree to this way of making money. I would probably rate it the most easiest side hustle to get into if you're a complete beginner. There's so many different levels to it. For example, one of my Instagram accounts I posted on in 2023 was making me $3,000 to $4,000 a month with putting in probably 5 hours a week worth of work. To show how much more lucrative this is, I started a social media management company for one of my YouTube videos as a challenge, and some of the clients we got were making up to $20,000 every single month just posting TikTok videos once a day. How much time does it take to start one of these businesses? Well, I would say you probably want to research 5 to 10 hours into this venture. For example, one of the clients that I had that was making $20,000 a month on TikTok was posting pet videos and National Geographic type of videos on TikTok. He understood people like to see pets, animals, and people like to see different vacation spots. And because of his research and his hard work he put into editing these videos, he's making $20,000 every month. You don't just have to make money based on the ads, but you can make a lot of money based on the sponsor deals you do with different companies. Look at the female creators on TikTok that post videos of them in a dress, and then you can click their link on TikTok shop to buy that dress. They are making a crazy amount of money. First of all, they're getting paid from the brand to even wear that in the video, and second of all, they get commission based off of every person that buys that dress from their video. I would 100% rank this side hustle in S tier because there's just an unlimited amount of money that can come with it, and you can spend a lot of time or a little bit of time and make some great dough. The next side hustle comes from another beautiful YouTuber, and his name is, oh, we just saw this guy, London Nugs. This side hustle is affiliate marketing. It's one of my favorite side hustles by far due to the simple concept of it and how easy it is to scale. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're selling somebody else's product and they give you a cut. So if I sold this computer right here for say $1,000, the company who made the computer would say give me like $500 of the sale. I didn't have to make the computer. I didn't have to do anything of the manufacturing. All I did was get the customer to buy this and I get a cut. I've been doing affiliate marketing since a 13-year-old little guy, posting links all over the internet trying to get somebody to buy the product. Affiliate marketing could be all over the place. In my worst months I've done $0, and my best months I've done low 5 figures. So it really depends on how much effort you put in and your strategies. All right, where would I rate this? Well, surprise, surprise, this buddy's going in the S tier. The newest side hustle we will be talking about comes from Mark Tilbury yet again with 4.3 million views, and he states in there that online coaching could be very lucrative. What does this mean? Well, basically, you are coaching somebody. You're the teacher. They pay you to give your experience and your feedback on what they should be doing. And I've done just this. So on the side from about 2022 starting, I've had this marketing company where basically companies in the range of $1 to $3 million in e-com will pay me roughly $200 to $250 an hour for me to strategize with them on how to grow their company. And that's great and all, but maybe you're already catching the line that I'm saying here. It's not a business where you can just jump in randomly. You need a skill that you have an expertise in, that you're very good at. It's the same thing with tutors tutoring students. If you're great at math, you can help somebody in their math homework. It's the same thing as that. So if you're really good at a skill like going to the gym and getting big muscles, like for example me, I'm extremely muscular, as everybody tells me. They're definitely not lying. You could be somebody's gym trainer and they could pay you per hour. Where would I rate this? Well, I would rate this a C tier. Reason being is because not everybody has an expertise in something. I mean, after all, you are a student and you're growing up in the world. You shouldn't have all these expertise. Not everybody has that, and I understand that. Also, it is very labor intensive, so you're paid by the hour. It's just like if you went to Ralph's bagging up groceries. It's very hard to scale because you only have you only can work so much. But it's something to keep in mind if you do have an expertise in something. I know a lot of y'all are young because you're probably students watching the video, and just remember though, you do have time. Don't rush into anything. Pick something you really want to do, because if you do something you really like to do, your brain will move, meaning different opportunities will branch out from the side hustle you're doing. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Please stay safe, and I wish you all best of luck. Peace out. Subscribe.